Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting and preparing. Do this now. Remove the tips and look for trapped wax or fabric tears, debris block sound and charging. Next, use a toothpick and 70% isopropyl on a cloth to gently clean openings and blow short bursts of air to dislodge dust. Once done, place both earbuds in the case and charge for at least 15 minutes. Low voltage causes pairing and audio dropouts, so make sure the battery is sufficient before continuing. You now perform deeper repairs, clean contacts, and reset. Carefully clean the metal charging pins on both earbud and case with isopropyl and a dry swab. Moisture prevents proper charging. Next, force a soft reset by holding the earbud's main button, S, for about 10 seconds. This clears firmware glitches that cause one-sided audio or dropouts. After the reset, remove the Skullcandy entry from your phone's Bluetooth list, then repair using the case's LED cues. This ensures a fresh connection and proper channel assignment. You finish with verification and one key troubleshooting tip. Put tips back on, test both sides with music at low volume, and switch headphones between ears to confirm driver function. A poor seal mimics driver failure, so replace tips if needed. If sound is still missing from one bud, repeat the contact cleaning and reset steps, then test on another phone. This isolates device versus earbud issues. If it remains dead after those steps, consider battery failure or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.